That is a fucking John's big juicy cock. Look at this dick. Honestly, look at this intricate dick. That's not even like, that's nowhere near accurate. How big's yours? It's bigger than that. How about you look?
Have I put my jacket?
We are in the great...
A yellow submarine. A yellow submarine. A yellow submarine.
What is this, like the first segment's got to be dancing now?
We're doing, this is the Urban Explorer Adventure Show. The musical.
Right, today we are not doing a musical. I need a shit still. Lloydie needs a shit. We're on the west coast somewhere in an undisclosed location. We're gonna go and look for some pool or some baths. Or to you southerners, bath. I'll say it. Bath.
Is Bath a place or is Bath a place? Is it a pronunciation thing or is it called... Yeah, it's spelled the same. Is it called Bath?
But are you going in the bath or are you going to bath?
No, yeah, this is what I mean.
Or bath.
Are you going to bath or bath?
Or B-A-R-T-H.
I say bath for the big tub with all the liquid in.
What about sink?
I
call it a song.
Let's go!
We've got a 10-minute walking.
As the years go by.
Look, we got high quality trainers and Ugg boots. Al, yeah, you got yourself a new pair of shoes, mate. Can it not? It can. Yeah, a filthy weekend away in Southport.
About 20 minutes away, we've got like it's not a abandoned as such, it's more like a mansion that's a ruin.
Well, you're a fucking genius, mate. Right, so this has just turned into a vlog. We can't get into these baths. So you're just going to come with us for the day and dirty weekend in Southport. Right now, we're trying to find oh no, that battleship! Fake Lego. Anyway, what was I going to say? Yeah, now we're trying to find a local convenience where me and Lottie can go for a massive shit.
Not together.
Oh, we're not? You're not feeling it? You're not feeling it?
That's just pointing at the sky.
I'm not, don't give me a minute.
I love that Jaguar.
That fat man was a child. Well, that could be yours. Can we please get a Kickstarter going for Mark Lloyd's Jaguar Fund? The Weatherspoons is...
It's not a Weatherspoons.
It is, it's round this corner.
It's not a Weatherspoons, it's just a pub.
Oh. It smells like wheat, you mean? My toilet seat's nice and warm, actually.
Yeah, I mean someone's been sat on it.
I think someone has been sat on it. Yeah. Was it?
Yeah,
Shit out of luck.
It's me and you, girl.
This is badge for a Mercedes driver. In that film.
Devil Driver. The movie.
This morning we woke up and our freezer my coccyx off. Well, we've come to the conclusion that we actually like Southport.
Yeah, it's one of the many.
I'll be back in 2 lads. Alright, anyone want out? I want you to never come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've come to the conclusion that Southport is actually, like, probably, we obviously, if you follow us, you know that we do a fair bit of travelling. And this place is actually really nice.
That's why.
Are we sitting down because it's going to take forever?
Yeah, I'm sitting in front, it's warm in front.
Alright. This week's episode was sponsored by Yakult. Drink fresh. That has seen better days. We're at a school for the deaf.
Who's one of your most favourite people in the world, Al?
Ernest Lacko, my deaf friend from work. Do you know them like things that you can have, them hearing aid things that they attach to your head?
Yeah.
He got offered one of them.
Implant?
Yeah, he got offered one of them. He turned it down because he wouldn't be able to wear hats properly. He's that guy.
Oh my god, this is actually a classroom.
What's this shit?
Your hair? Yeah, the old chalkboards.
Oh, you can move. Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't really move.
Someone's been fire painting. He's behind you. Ben Graves is behind you.
That's such a cool building.
Wow.
Is that?
Yes.
Is that a gym?
Wabaki.
Holy shit, look at that's a cool corridor.
And I've just taken a picture.
Oh, hold on now. Yeah. Oh, sweet. feet.
How many times in the history that you were at school did they ever get the apparatus out?
Twice. Oh look, I love that. All the stuff growing on the windows.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
It is fantastic. What is that stage?
Yeah, foosball, I believe.
Foosball?
There's no steps.
Yeah, probably. Find the rubble of the decay of civilization. Watch your ankles. Whoa! Look at that.
As you can tell, this bit has been knocked down.
Is that what? Boys,
Can we get in?
swimming pool.
No way, no way.
Sick.
Wow, that's cool.
I think this is the most decayed swimming pool we've ever been in.
Fuck off, no it isn't.
Here it is.
Fuck off.
Cold.
It's freezing in here.
He's a funny guy, isn't he? It's not very deep. Was this a primary school?
It smells like primary school kids.
Whoa, the floor's a bit. The floor's really. Yeah. I don't think we can get through here, boys.
Ooh, floor's a bit.
I think we need to go find another way around.
Ooh, floor's a bit.
You've been a fucking wet one, yeah.
It's just a dark room.
That is.
There's definitely no. That's what you saying, Al?
Looks like Bricktop's been here. Do you know what your new nickname is?
Letterbox. Right, so the plan is now we're going to go around the front and see if we can get into the main building. Can't get in that way. What? Can't get in that way. We're at this abandoned fucking Indian cuisine house of food. It's going to be a great one, folks, so just, yeah, stay with us. Let's see if we can get in here. Ooh. Now, I am not joking you, it fucking stinks of sewage.
It stinks of shit.
It stinks, doesn't it? It fucking stinks.
Any way in?
No, I can't see it around there.
Oh, you're having a fucking bubble.
That is a really bad smell though.
Proper pongs. Suppose it'll be good for the vlog. Stick
yeah.
it in the vlog.
Yeah, that fucking all that 35 seconds.
No, but now the
Quality content, innit?
Yeah, so it's not going too good today, but I'm actually having a really good day. What do you mean we might have a really shit week? We are
having a really shit week.
Right, so we've fucking been told this place. We've
We haven't been told it.
Oh, right.
I found it.
Well, it's been on the map for...
Ruin of a mansion.
It's a ruin of a mansion. Anyway, we came here, and there's about 1 billion fucking people here. There's like pregnant women wearing Skechers. There's all there's every type. Every type.
That's when you know that we should be at a place. Why does everyone... Right, it must... everyone used to stare at us in the rig, and now everyone stares at us in the van. Why?
Because we just look dodgy. Right, anyway, we can't get down there where all those people are heading. We can't get down there because 2 people parked like arseholes and it's one way.
We're stuck.
We're fucked. So Al's gone and tried to find some authority figure to shake a few fingers at a few people so we can get the fuck out of here. No.
Where's he gone?
Oh, he's there. He's there with a hippie man.
Is he there with the hippie man?
Oh, he's with a hippie.
Says we might have to go back down that way and then just clear it out. He wants to have a look back.
See, this is the kind of shit that we just run into. He's this, that guy. I'm gonna add that guy on Facebook.
Facebook.
I'm gonna message him every night before I go to bed.
Just make sure
Tell him how much I love him. Cheers, Mr. Self-Build. Now we're going the wrong way.
down the right street. You're walking like this.
But he's like, clear at it, fucking ride. Thank you, thank you, balding middle-aged man.
We're clear, alright. Cheers, thanks a lot.
Thank you, son. Back on the road again. Hi guys!
Oh my god, Norton, this is all the same video.
I know. This gets better. Da-da! Or should I say worse? That once upon a time ago was a restaurant that we were gonna go visit.
Once upon a time.
I'm getting out. Fuck this, I'm walking.
Intact. I think it's pretty empty.
Oh, maybe not.
Oh, you fucking high. Oh, not in your fucking penis. Go on. Let's get out of here.
How many is that now?
5?
More than that.
And then we went to the baths, and then we went to Hall, that place near the beach.
Yes.
Then we went to the deaf school.
Yes.
Then we went
Tracy's
to
place.
to the restaurant.
The restaurant.
And then we went to the other restaurant.
That was not there anymore.
And then we went to Tracy's house.
6. Yeah.
And then we went to this house. 7.
So we only got in 1.
You know this place? I have absolutely no clue what it is. All it was is I just saw it on Google Maps when I was looking at another one. Jesus Christ. Oh look, digger. What was it? No, and you got a peachy ass, bro.
Just ripped my pants.
Did you just rip your pants? Oh, for fuck's sake.
What's wrong with today?
Well, this is truly trashed. I don't know, that staircase is awesome. Look, that's where a fire was at one point. Holy crap, holy. What's happening, boys?
You took your fucking time. Where have you been?
Right, we're getting the fuck out of here.
We have had no luck. Let's wrap this vlog.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're not going anywhere else today. Today's just one of them days where fate just wants to fuck you in the ass and not even give you a reach around.
The fucking sunset will be really nice to watch in this shithole in the middle of fucking nowhere, but
I want to say, we're going to get a good...
yeah, it's pretty good. We've got a balcony. Yeah, life's not so bad really, is it?